So hello guys and welcome to Unity 3D Zero to Hero. And by Zero to Hero, I literally mean it. We'll be starting from ground up basics of Unity and making a full-fledged game inside of Unity. But before that, who am I? Well, I am Sanchit Sharma, your instructor for the entire course. I am a game developer and AR/VR developer. I have been doing game development and AR/VR development from past 2.5 years, and my experience include making courses, teaching students, going to hackathons like being the finalist of NASA SpaceX hackathon, be it the winner of IIT Bhubaneswar AR/VR Conclave hackathon, or be it the winner of AR/VR hackathon organized by HackerEarth. I also participated in various game jams and I was the winner of Nikhil Malankar's game jam. And talking about Nikhil Malankar, I'm also a YouTuber and my content revolve around game development only. And in one line I can say that I make games. So I make games whether be it AR, VR or just normal games. And in this course also we will be making a game. It might look simple but we'll be covering the basic concepts of Unity revolving around many things. By the end of this course, you will have your game full-fledged ready from the basics inside of Unity without the use of any third-party software. We will be making everything inside Unity and we'll be starting from the basics, from the ground up. Like our section 1, we will be starting with installing Unity and Visual Studio into the Windows. We'll move on towards section 2 where we will be covering the basics of Unity, getting familiar with the Unity interface and getting familiar with Visual Studio, starting our basics of C# coding. Yes, we will be getting hands dirty with coding stuff. We will be moving on towards section 3 where we will be making Unity's rollerball game. It was Unity's old project, but we will be revamping it in Unity's 2019.3, the latest version of Unity as per this recording. We'll be making Unity's rollerball. You can see the example of the project. We will be learning the concepts like Unity's physics, how does Unity's physics work, moving on towards the coding stuff. Although we will be getting with the very basics of coding, but it is highly recommended that you have knowledge of at least any one coding, whether be it Java, C, C++ or any one of the language. We'll be getting started with C# and we'll be moving towards section 4 where we will be modifying our game and adding lots and lots of features, whether be it jump, adding more levels, particle system, adding more physics objects or improving our game graphics. Towards the section 4 we will have our game towards a next level. We'll move on towards section 5 where we'll be learning Unity's UI from the basics. Unity UI system completely, buttons, UI raycast and everything about Unity's UI system. We'll move on from section 5 towards section 6 where we will be exporting our game for the Windows platform and learning bits about how we can export it towards other platform like WebGL or Android or any other platform, but we will be exporting our game for Windows. The game might look simple, but this game includes a lot of physics and graphics and we will be learning the basics. We will be making everything from scratch. So there's a lot of learning involved in this course. And if you are a gamer, you love games, or if you ever wanted to have some coding and wanted to make games through it, this course is for you. So I will just grab on the course and I will see you inside it. We'll be making our game together. Thank you and I'll see you inside the course.